You can call me anytime if you need help. You can call me anytime if you need help. Can you pass me the salt, please? Can you pass me the salt, please? She can play the guitar beautifully. She can play the guitar beautifully. Can I join you for lunch tomorrow? Can I join you for lunch tomorrow? We can go to the beach this weekend. We can go to the beach this weekend. He can run faster than anyone in his class. He can run faster than anyone in his class. Can I ask you a question about the homework? Can I ask you a question about the homework? You can stay here for the night if you'd like. You can stay here for the night if you'd like. They can start the meeting without us. They can start the meeting without us. Can you drive me to the airport on Friday? Can you drive me to the airport on Friday? He can fix almost anything in the house. He can fix almost anything in the house. Can your sister swim? Can your sister swim? You can reach me via email anytime. You can reach me via email anytime. Can we have a meeting later today? Can we have a meeting later today? She can bake the best cookies in town. She can bake the best cookies in town. Can you tell me the time, please? Can you tell me the time, please? We can finish this project before the deadline. We can finish this project before the deadline. Can I help you carry those bags? Can I help you carry those bags? He can lift heavy weights at the gym. He can lift heavy weights at the gym. Can I have the recipe for that cake? Can I have the recipe for that cake? You can park your car over there. You can park your car over there. Can we discuss this matter tomorrow? Can we discuss this matter tomorrow? She can teach you how to play the piano. She can teach you how to play the piano. Can you recommend a good restaurant nearby? Can you recommend a good restaurant nearby? We can plan a trip for next month. We can plan a trip for next month. I can't believe how cold it is today. I can't believe how cold it is today. She can't make it to the meeting tomorrow. She can't make it to the meeting tomorrow. I can't find my phone anywhere. I can't find my phone anywhere. We can't go to the concert. The tickets are sold out. We can't go to the concert. The tickets are sold out. He can't drive because he lost his license. He can't drive because he lost his license. I can't hear you. Can you speak louder? I can't hear you. Can you speak louder? They can't come to the party this weekend. They can't come to the party this weekend. You can't park here. It's a no parking zone. You can't park here. It's a no parking zone. She can't swim, so we need to stay in the shallow end. She can't swim, so we need to stay in the shallow end. I can't finish this project without your help. I can't finish this project without your help. He can't join the team because of his injury. He can't join the team because of his injury. I can't remember where I put my glasses. I can't remember where I put my glasses. We can't leave until the meeting is over. We can't leave until the meeting is over. She can't stop laughing at the joke. She can't stop laughing at the joke. I can't wait to see you next week. I can't wait to see you next week. They can't afford to buy a new car right now. They can't afford to buy a new car right now. I can't believe he said that. I can't believe he said that. We can't go outside because it's raining heavily. We can't go outside because it's raining heavily. He can't come to the phone right now. He can't come to the phone right now. You can't enter without a ticket. You can't enter without a ticket. She can't stay awake any longer. She's exhausted. She can't stay awake any longer. She's exhausted. I can't open this jar. It's too tight. I can't open this jar. It's too tight. He can't play football today because he has homework. He can't play football today because he has homework. I can't agree with you on that point. I can't agree with you on that point. We can't continue this discussion without more data. We can't continue this discussion without more data. I will call you when I get home. I will call you when I get home. She will bring the cake to the party. She will bring the cake to the party. Will you help me move this table? Will you help me move this table? They will arrive at the airport by noon. They will arrive at the airport by noon. I will finish this report by the end of the day. I will finish this report by the end of the day. Will we need to buy more groceries for the weekend? Will we need to buy more groceries for the weekend? He will study hard for his exams next week. He will study hard for his exams next week. We will meet at the cafe around 5 p.m. We will meet at the cafe around 5 p.m. Will you join us for dinner tonight? Will you join us for dinner tonight? She will let us know her decision tomorrow. She will let us know her decision tomorrow. I will send you the document later today. I will send you the document later today. Do you think it will rain tomorrow? Do you think it will rain tomorrow? We will be on holiday next month. We will be on holiday next month. Will you take care of my plants while I'm away? Will you take care of my plants while I'm away? He will fix the car as soon as the parts arrive. He will fix the car as soon as the parts arrive. I will help you with the presentation if you need it. I will help you with the presentation if you need it. They will attend the conference next week. They will attend the conference next week. Will you be free to chat later today? Will you be free to chat later today? She will visit her grandparents this weekend. She will visit her grandparents this weekend. I will try my best to solve the problem. I will try my best to solve the problem. Will you remind me to send that email? Will you remind me to send that email? He will bring his dog to the park tomorrow. He will bring his dog to the park tomorrow. We will need to leave early to beat the traffic. We will need to leave early to beat the traffic. Will the shop be open on Sunday? Will the shop be open on Sunday? I will make sure everything is ready before the meeting. I will make sure everything is ready before the meeting. I won't be able to make it to the meeting tomorrow. I won't be able to make it to the meeting tomorrow. She won't forget your birthday. She won't forget your birthday. He won't stop talking about his new job. He won't stop talking about his new job. They won't come to the party because they have other plans. They won't come to the party because they have other plans. I won't let you down, I promise. I won't let you down, I promise. The car won't start no matter how many times I try. The car won't start no matter how many times I try. She won't agree with that idea. It's too risky. She won't agree with that idea. It's too risky. He won't eat vegetables no matter how they're cooked. He won't eat vegetables no matter how they're cooked. We won't finish this project on time without more help. We won't finish this project on time without more help. I won't leave until you're ready to go. I won't leave until you're ready to go. They won't allow pets in the building. They won't allow pets in the building. She won't travel this summer due to work commitments. She won't travel this summer due to work commitments. The kids won't go to bed unless you read them a story. The kids won't go to bed unless you read them a story. He won't answer the phone when he's in a meeting. He won't answer the phone when he's in a meeting. The weather won't be good for hiking tomorrow. The weather won't be good for hiking tomorrow. I won't stay up late tonight. I'm exhausted. I won't stay up late tonight. I'm exhausted. He won't let anyone else drive his car. He won't let anyone else drive his car. We won't be able to afford a holiday this year. We won't be able to afford a holiday this year. I won't be available for lunch tomorrow. I won't be available for lunch tomorrow. The TV won't turn on. Something must be wrong with it. The TV won't turn on. Something must be wrong with it. She won't listen to anyone's advice on this matter. She won't listen to anyone's advice on this matter. I won't go to the gym today. I'm feeling too tired. I won't go to the gym today. I'm feeling too tired. The restaurant won't be open on Sunday. The restaurant won't be open on Sunday. He won't attend the event because he's out of town. He won't attend the event because he's out of town. We won't move forward without a proper plan. We won't move forward without a proper plan.